Okay, this is from worksheet number 3, and we're looking at how to use the nearest neighbor method. Okay, so with the nearest neighbor, you have to be told your starting point, and we said that that was going to be A. So I'm choosing between 44, 37, 34, 35, and 39. So 34 is clearly going to work for us. Then from here, I can choose between 40, 48, 36, and 35. So 35 is clearly the next choice. Then from vertex C, I have a choice of, well, I know I can't go to 37, right? Because that would make a circuit before I'm ready. So I only have a choice of 46, 40, and 39. So I'm going to need to go from C to E. And then from E, I can only go to F or D. I only have two choices. So at F, I have a choice of 36, and to B, I have a choice of 42. I can't go back to A because that would make a circuit and we're not ready. So we're going to go to F. So plus 36. And then clearly I have to go to B because that's the only vertex that has not been visited, and then I have to go back to A. Okay, so when I add all those together, I get a number. Sorry, I lost my answer key. And it was 228 units. And if you're concerned about what the circuit is, we could say it's A, B, F, E, C, D, and then of course back to A. Okay, so that was the nearest neighbor. So our next issue was sorted edges. So I guess I'll kind of keep this graph up here since I will need it. All right, so sorted edges, we don't really begin with a particular point. So I'm going to go ahead and write all these vertices down. Okay. And so I am looking for the cheapest link. I don't care where it starts from. I just want to know what the cheapest link. And according to your notes is we keep on adding these sides until I have visited every vertex exactly once. Okay, I've made a Hamilton circuit. And to be careful with that, I don't make a circuit before I'm ready. And I need to steer away from third degree vertices until I've made my Hamilton circuit. All right, so I've got my 34. I have two 35s. So I have one here and I have one here. So far, so good. I haven't made a circuit before I'm ready. Now I have two 36s. This one's okay, and I'm going to show you why this one isn't. You'll notice I've made a third degree vertex at D, and that does not give us a Hamilton circuit, does it? So, oops, I meant to pick the eraser. Okay, so at this point anyway, I know I've got to visit B regardless, okay? So I know I'm going to have to use this edge from B to F, which was 40. And of course, to complete the circuit, I need to use my B to C, which was 46. So I have a 34, two 35s. I have a 36, I have a 40, and I also have a 46. All right, so adding those up together should give us 226 units. That's my optimal solution. And the circuit that gives me that, the Hamilton circuit that gives me that, is A, D, C, B, F, E, and of course back to A. That's the Hamilton circuit. I could have gone the other direction, A, E, F, B, C, D, A. That would have been fine too.